Hello, good evening. All right, today we move on to the next part. Okay, now this is a little recap on how to draw straight lines. Okay, so we recall any straight line will have this concept or this formula. This is y equals to mx plus c. So this is the general form of how any straight line equation will look like. M stands for gradient and c stands for your y-intercept. Okay, so now what is our intention is we want to draw the straight lines. Okay, so now let's say I've got this straight line, y equals to 2x plus 2. Okay, it is given that from this equation my m value is 2, that's my gradient, and my y-intercept is 2 as well. So what I'll do is, to draw a straight line we need two coordinates. Okay, so let's say we take x is 0. Now in this case we do not have to substitute because straight away when x is 0 we know my y value is 2. So this is my x or y-intercept, coordinate for my y-intercept. And when x is 2, so what we do is, so this is 2 plus 2, so I'll actually get a 6. So my next coordinate is 2, 6. Okay, all right. So now let's say we are going to draw this line. So my coordinates are 0, 2 and 2, 6. Okay, 0, 2. So this is a graph paper. So 0, 2 and 2, 6. Okay, so if we are going to draw, all right, so that will be the line of y equals to 2x plus 2. Okay, all right. Okay, so next one, let's say we have got something like this. So y is negative 1 over 2x plus 6 over 2 becomes 3. Yeah? Okay, so that means my straight away my y-intercept is from the equation itself, which is 0, 3. And let's say we take x equals to maybe 2. So y becomes negative half 2 plus 3. Okay, so you get a negative 1 plus 3, which is a 2. So my next coordinate is 2, 2 as well. Okay, so for this line, first coordinate is 0, 3 and 2, 2. Two twos here. Okay, so this will be equals to negative half x plus 3. Alright, this is something that you have learned before. Alright, so we move on to the next part where we want to draw x equals to 4. Now, when you're looking at x equals to 4, x equals to 4, there is no gradient. So all you do is, now this is actually my y-intercept. Okay, so when c is 4, it's here. Oops. Okay, so that is y equals to 4. And y equals to negative 6, your c is negative 6. 6 is here. So that's y equals to negative 6. Okay. Alright, next is x equals to negative 3. So for x equals to negative 3, this one here, it's here, negative 3. Alright, so this is x equals to negative 3. And if you have x equals to 7, 7 is here. Okay, so that's your line of x is 7. Okay, so basically this is how simple concept of drawing straight lines will be. So what you actually need is, if you have a line with a gradient, you need two coordinates. Okay, if it's like any other line, vertical or horizontal line, you just look at where the line is actually going to intersect with the respective axis. All right, thank you.